Jai Hind students, this is chapter number 4 for class 8th history. How did tribal groups live? So, tribal groups, we know already that the tribals group were totally depend upon forest and through by forest, by plants, trees and by animals they were dependent, and they fulfill their all the needs through by them. So some of them practices jhum cultivation. Jhum cultivation is a type of cultivation in which shifting cultivation happen, in which a part of land is uh, cultivated for some time duration, and after it, when the fertility power become reduced of that area, then they leave that area and cultivate on some any other area. This is jhum cultivation. So they generally use jhum cultivation. This way done a small pitch of the land, mostly in the forest. They the cultivation cut tree trunks to allow sunlight to reach the ground and burn the vegetations on the on the land to clear it for cultivation. So this was the system of cultivation, and uh, firstly they cut the forest, and after it they fired on that forest area, and uh, it create it create the improvement of the fertility power of the soil. And after it they start their cultivation, and once uh, for few times they cultivate on that land. After that they leave that field, uh, as by reducing of the fertility power of that land. So shifting cultivation was found in hilly and forest tract of the northeast and central India. The lives of these tribe peoples depend upon the free movement within forest and on being able to use land and forest for growing their crops. This is the only way they could practice shifting cultivation. Now, some were hunting and gathering were also practices by these tribal groups as for their livelihood. So they generally use hunting and gathering. So the forest is essential for survival, and khonds are such a community which is living in the forest of Orissa. They regularly went out to collect, hunt, and they derived the meat amongst themselves. So this is the way of hunting and for the collecting food for themselves. As they also collect fruits and root from the forest as for cooking their foods. And here is a sal and mahua tree which is generally used for some herbs, and herbs were used for medical purposes. And mahua is a flower that is eaten or used to make alcohol also. So these are the forest product, and to whom these tribal groups were depend. Khonds were they need to supplies of the kusum and palas flower to color their cloth and leathers. To color their cloth and leathers. So this was the way of these tribal groups. Here is a map is given as for the tribal groups, that where the main tribal groups were lived, even in Bhil, Santha, Saharia, and Bhutia, Gonds, and in this region Santhais, and here Mala, so Khasi, Naga, and other types of tribal groups are shown in this map, that where they live.